What's up you guys? Welcome to another Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about methods. And if you're saying, okay Mo, what the heck is a method? So probably if you went to college they won't give you this definition, but I mean this is the simplest definition that I can think of. What a method basically is bunch of code that is referenced by name. Okay, I don't get it. So let me just implement a simple method, and I promise you guys by the end of this tutorial, you'll get what a method is. So, so this is your main method right here, and let's go ahead outside of your main method and inside of your class right here. Let's go ahead and create a method, and to do that, all you got to do is just type, is it public or private? So let's go ahead and type private static void, and what is the name of the method? The name of the method is print year. Guys, I'm gonna explain everything for you, but just type along with me. So if you're saying, okay Mo, I don't get what this means, I don't understand, this syntax is weird, okay, I'm gonna explain it to you right now. So what private means is basically this. It is saying, okay, only the class YouTube can actually call this method. It is private. It's always going to be within the class. And if you're saying, okay, Mo, I don't know what a method call is, well, just wait along because we are actually going to call this method. So let's go ahead and implement it. Let's go ahead and type in system out print line, and let's go ahead and then this year I am going to what? This year I'm going to go to college. I mean, I'm already in college, but it doesn't matter. What else I'm gonna do this year? This year I'm going to run a lot. I mean, this is really random, but this year I'm going to what? This is the last one. I'm going to eat a lot of Arabic food. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually create another method so you guys can actually understand what's going on. And let's change the name for this to print year to print week. And what I'm gonna do this week, week, week is probably gonna be going out with some girls, of course. I mean, why not? Spelling doesn't matter. You can just type whatever you want. What else? Um, I'm going to code a little bit. And last one is this week I'm actually going to watch a movie with some homies. All right, spelling doesn't matter, life is good. So what we actually did right now is we implemented two class, not two classes, two methods. The first method is called print year. The second method is called print week. If you're saying, okay, Mo, go over it. Why are we doing this? I don't understand. Okay, you will get it right now. We just said that a private method means a method that can be called only within the class. So let's go ahead and do that. So we can just type print year, and what this line of code means is basically we are calling the method. You guys can see that it turned yellow because it's saying, oh, someone is calling me. All right, I'm coming right now. So if we go ahead and actually run this, it's gonna go is going to say, okay, this year I'm going to go to college, this year I'm going to run a lot of this, blah, 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 eat Arabic food. And if you're saying, okay, Mo, like, I don't understand why we're doing this. Like, why can't we just take all this and put it right here instead of this line of code? Well, the reason why you want to always implement methods is because of this. Imagine that you had to write this over and over and over and over again in your program. You don't want to just like keep adding more lines and more lines and more lines. Wouldn't it be so cool if you just had one method that will actually execute the same code that you want to be executed over and over again with just a simple method call? And also, if you had like this written 100 times and you wanted to change something, you will have to go over it line by line and change it. But here, all I can do is just delete something, 2, and just type whatever I want, 0, 0. I just wanted to change that, and go ahead, run it, and boom, it just changed it. And if you guys don't believe me, if you actually duplicate this code, it will just do this over and over again. Brum, brum, and brum. I mean, we created this method, so we might as well just call it print week. And as you guys, it turned yellow. It says, okay, who's calling me? I'm calling you. I'm calling you. Oh my, na na na. Okay, so as you guys can see, the method has been called. I'm going out with some girls. I'm going to code a little bit, and I'm going to watch movies with these girls. I mean, of course not. I'm just kidding, guys. So basically, this is how you can create and implement a method, and this is how you can call a method. Guys, just to recap, a private method is a method that can only be called within the class. And guys, I'm going to cover what static means in future tutorials. And what void means is basically a method that doesn't have a return statement. So every time you create a method that doesn't have a return statement, make sure to put void. And this is basically the name of the method. And here we're just having a method with no parameters. So I'm pretty sure that you guys learned something from this tutorial. If not, I mean, I had so much fun just explaining it to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.